Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Our question is, how do you implement conditional formatting in Power BI usuals? Your answer should be, conditional formatting in Power BI visuals allows users to apply formatting rules based on data values and expressions. To implement conditional formatting, select a visual which you want to apply conditional formatting. Navigate to the formatting pane and locate the conditional formatting options. Define formatting rules based on data values, thresholds, or expressions. Customize the formatting styles such as colors, icons, and font styles for different conditions. Our next question is, what are the benefits of using Power BI for self-service business intelligence compared to traditional BI tools? Your answer should be, the benefits of using Power BI for self-service business intelligence compared to the traditional BI tools include ease of use. Power BI offers a user-friendly interface and intrusive tools for data visualization and analysis, enabling business users to create reports and dashboards without extensive technical skill. Agility. Power BI enables rapid prototyping and interactive development of reports and dashboards, allowing users to quickly adapt to changing business requirements and explore new insights. Integration. Power BI integrates seamless with other Microsoft products and services, as well as wide range of data sources, enabling comprehensive data analysis and collaboration across the organization. Cost effectiveness. Power BI offers flexible licensing options and scalable pricing plans, making it accessible to organizations of all sizes and budgets compared to traditional BI tools with high upfront cost and licensing fees. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, what is the Power BI REST API and how it can be used? Your answer should be, the Power BI REST API is a web service provided by Microsoft that allows developers to interact with Power BI resource programmatically. It can be used to automate tasks such as managing workspaces, data sets, reports, dashboards, and data refreshers, as well as embedding Power BI content into custom applications or portals. Our next question is, how do you create a custom hierarchy in Power BI? Your answer should be, to create custom hierarchy in Power BI, navigate to the Fields pane in Power BI Desktop. Select the table containing the fields you want to use in the hierarchy. Drag and drop the fields onto each other in a desired order to create the hierarchy. Power BI automatically creates a custom hierarchy based on the selected fields, which can be used in visualizations for drill down analysis. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share, please. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, what is the purpose of Power BI app and how do you create one? Your answer should be, a Power BI app is a collection of related reports and dashboards that are bundled together for easier distribution and consumption. To create a Power BI app, publish the reports and dashboards to Power BI service, group the component into an app workspace, configure app settings such as access permissions and navigation, publish the app to make it available for specific users or groups within your organization. Our next question is, how do you schedule data refresh in a data set in Power BI service? Your answer should be, to schedule data refresh for a data set in a Power BI service, navigate the dataset setting in Power BI service, click on schedule refresh and enable it, specify the refresh frequency, daily, weekly, etc. and time. Configure credentials for data source authentication if required. Save the settings to schedule automatic data refreshes according to the specified schedule. Our next question is, what are Power BI templates and how do you use them? Your answer should be, Power BI templates are pre-built templates that can be customized and reused for different data sets. To use Power BI template, download the template file .pbit from the template library or create your own template in Power BI Desktop. Import the template into Power BI Desktop. Connect the template to your dataset or import data into the template. Customize the visuals. Customize the visuals, formatting and calculations as needed. Save the customized report as the new Power BI files.pbix for further analysis and sharing. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you monitor the performance of Power BI reports and dashboards? Your answer should be, to monitor the performance of Power BI reports and dashboards, use built-in usage metrics and performance monitoring tools in Power BI service to track report views, interaction and refresh time. Analyze query performance and data model size using Performance Analyzer and Query Diagnostics in Power BI Desktop. Monitor system health and resource usage in Power BI Service, admin portal for managing workspaces, capacities and data flows. Our next question is, what is Power BI dashboard and how does it differ from the report? Your answer should be, Power BI dashboard. A Power BI dashboard is a single page view that displays key metrics and visualizations from multiple reports and data sets. It provides a high-level overview of the data and allows users to monitor performance and trends at a glance. Report. A Power BI report is a collection of visuals, charts, tables, graphs that are created using Power BI Desktop. Reports are more detailed and interactive than dashboards and are used in depth analysis and exploration of data. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, what are Power BI data flows and how do they facilitate data preparation and integration? Your answer should be, Power BI data flows are self-service data preparation capabilities in Power BI that allows users to ingest, transform, and combine data from disparate sources into single data store. They facilitate data preparation and integration by providing a centralized data storage and management platform for reusable data sets, allowing users to build data flows using Power Query similar to Power BI Desktop, enabling data lineage, refresh scheduling, and sharing of data flows across Power BI workspaces. Our next question is, how do you perform time intelligence calculations in Power BI using DAX? Your answer should be, time intelligence calculations in Power BI using DAX involve using functions such as total YTD, total QTD, total MTD, summer period last year, and date add. These function enables calculations such as year to date totals, quarter to date totals, month to date totals, and year over year comparisons for analyzing trends and seasonality in time series data. Our next question is, what is Power BI paginated reports? How do they differ from interactive reports? Your answer should be, Power BI paginated reports. Power reports are highly formatted, pixel perfect reports optimized for printing and exporting to formats like PDF and Excel. They are designed for operational and transactional reporting scenarios that require precise layout control and pagination. Interactive reports. Interactive reports in Power BI are dynamic, visually rich reports that allows users to explore and analyze data interactivity through slicers, filters, and drill down capabilities. They are optimized for data exploration and decision support rather than strict formatting and printing requirements. Our next question is, how do you handle dynamic filtering in Power BI reports based on user selections? Your answer should be, dynamic filtering in Power BI reports based on user selections can be achieved using slicers, filters, and DAX expressions. Users can interact with slicers or filters to dynamically filter data displayed in visuals based on their selections. DAX expression can also be used to dynamically calculate or modify filter conditions based on user inputs or context. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, what is the role of Power Query Editor in Power BI and how does it streamline data preparation? Your answer should be, Power Query Editor is a data transformation tool in Power BI that allows users to connect to, import, and transform data from various sources before loading it into data models. It streamlines data preparations by providing intrusive user interface for data source connection and transformation. Rich set of data transformations operations such as filtering, sorting, grouping, and merging. Data profiling capabilities for understanding data quality and structure. Support for custom transformations using M language expression. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, explain the concept of drill through in Power BI. Your answer should be, drill through in Power BI allows users to navigate from one report to another to view more detailed information about a specific data point. It enables drill down from a summary report to a detailed report by passing parameters or filters between report based on user interactions. Our next question is, what is Power BI paginated report and when it is used? Your answer should be Power BI paginated report. A Power BI paginated report is a type of report formatted in Power BI that is optimized for printing or exporting to formats like PDF, Excel, or PowerPoint. Paginated reports are designed for pixel-perfect layout and are typically used for operational and transactional reporting. Usage. Paginated reports are used when precise formatting, layout control, and printing capabilities are required, such as in financial statements, invoices, and regulatory reports. Our next question is, how do you create custom visual in Power BI? Your answer should be, to create a custom visual in Power BI, download the Power BI Visuals SDK and set up the development environment. Use programming languages like TypeScript, HTML, and CSS to build the custom visual. Test the visual locally using the Power BI Visual Playground. Package the visual as a .pbiviz file. Import the custom visual into Power BI Desktop or Power BI Service and use it like any other built-in visual. Our next question is, what are the considerations of choosing between Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium licensing? Your answer should be Power BI Pro. It is suitable for individual users or small teams who required access to Power BI Desktop, sharing and collaboration features, and publishing reports to Power BI Service. It has limitations on dataset size and refresh frequency. Power BI Premium. It is designed for larger organizations with multiple users and heavy workloads. Power BI Premium offers dedicated capacity for increased performance, larger datasets, and advanced features like paginated reports, AI capabilities, and deployment pipelines. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you implement row-level security (RLS) in Power BI? Your answer should be, row-level security (RLS) in Power BI restricts access to data rows based on user roles or criteria. To implement RLS, define security roles in Power BI Desktop or Power BI Service. Create DAX expressions that define row-level filters based on user roles or attributes. Apply these filters to relevant tables or relationships using the Manage Roles option in Power BI Desktop or the Security settings in Power BI Service. Our next question is, what is the role of Power BI Embed and when it is used? Your answer should be, Power BI Embed is a platform as a service PaaS offering from Microsoft Azure that allows developers to integrate Power BI reports and dashboards into custom applications. It is used when organizations want to embed Power BI content directly into their own applications or portals for seamless data visualization and analysis. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, what are the benefits of using Power BI Direct Query Mode compared to Import Mode? Your answer should be Direct Query Mode. In Direct Query Mode, Power BI connects directly to the data source and retrieves real-time data on each query execution. This ensures that reports always reflect the latest data without requiring data import or storage in Power BI, making it suitable for scenarios where real-time data access is critical. Import mode. In import mode, data is imported and sorted in Power BI internal storage, which can improve query performance and enable offline access to reports. Import mode is suitable for scenarios where data volumes are manageable and periodic data refreshers are acceptable. Our next question is, how do you use parameters in Power BI to create dynamic reports? Your answer should be, to use parameters in Power BI to create dynamic reports, define parameters in Power BI Desktop by specifying a data type and default value. Create DAX expression that reference to the parameters to dynamically filter data or modify calculations based on parameter values. Use parameterized queries in data source queries to pass parameter values dynamically. Configure report visuals to interact with parameters, allowing users to change parameter values and see updated results in real time. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, explain the concept of bookmarks in Power BI and how they are used to create interactive reports. Your answer should be, bookmarks in Power BI allows users to capture the current state of the report page, including applied filters, slicer selections and visual interactions, and save it for future reference or navigation. Bookmarks can be used to create interactive reports by capturing different report views or scenarios and saving them as bookmarks, adding buttons, images or shapes to the report page and configuring them to navigate to specific bookmarks when clicked. Creating interactive storytelling experiences by linking bookmarks together in a sequence. Our next question is, what is Power BI Desktop Model View and how does it help in data modeling? Your answer should be, The Power BI desktop model view is a visual representation of a data model within Power BI desktop. It helps in data modeling by providing a graphical representation of tables, relationships, and hierarchies in a data model, allowing users to view and manage relationships, calculated columns, measures, and hierarchies using drag and drop interactions, facilitating data model optimization, troubleshooting, and debugging by visualizing the structure and dependencies of the data model. Our next question is, how do you implement row level security RLS using Power BI service? Your answer should be to implement row level security RLS using Power BI service. Define security roles with row level filters in Power BI desktop or Power BI service. Publish the dataset to the Power BI service. Assign users or groups to security rules and configure role membership using Power BI service. Power BI service applies row-level filters based on the user's role during data access and visualization, ensuring that users only see authorized data rows. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, how do you handle outliers or anomalies in your data visualization in Power BI? Your answer should be, to handle outliers or anomalies in data visualization in Power BI, identify outliers using statistical techniques or domain knowledge. Consider excluding outliers from analysis or applying data transformation to normalize the data distribution. Use visualizations like box plots, histogram, or scatter plots to visually identify outliers and understand their impact on the data. Our next question is, explain the difference between calculated columns and measures in Power BI with respect to performance. Your answer should be calculated columns. Calculated columns are computed during data refresh and sorted in the data model, which can increase the size of the data set and potentially impact performance, especially for large data sets. Measures. Measures are calculated on the fly during visualization based on their interactions, which reduces memory consumption and improves performance, especially for complex calculations and aggregations. Our next question is, how do you handle data lineage and documentation in Power BI projects? Your answer should be, to maintain data lineage and documentation in Power BI project, document data sources, transformations and calculations in Power BI desktop using comments, descriptions and annotations. Maintain version control for Power BI files using source control systems like Git. Use power tools like Power BI Lineage View and external documentation tools to visualize the document data lineage, dependencies and metadata. Our next question is, what is the difference between calculated columns and calculated tables in Power BI? Your answer should be calculated columns. Calculated columns are created within a table and are calculated row by row during data refresh. They are stored in a data model and consume memory. Calculated columns are useful for creating new columns based on existing data within the same table. Calculated tables. Calculated tables are created using DAX expression and are not stored physically in a data model. They are dynamically generated and query time based on the DAX expression. Calculated tables are useful for generating new tables based on calculations, joins, and other transformations. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you handle missing or null values in Power BI during data analysis? Your answer should be, to handle missing or null values in Power BI during data analysis, use data cleansing techniques such as filtering, removing or replacing missing values with default values or calculated values. Use DAX functions like blank, if, is blank to handle null values in calculated columns or measures. Visualize missing values using conditional formatting or special makers to identify data gaps in visualizations. Our next question is, explain the concept of hierarchies in Power BI and how they are useful in data analysis. Your answer should be, hierarchies in Power BI represents the logical relationships between different level of data attributes such as year, quarter, month, and day in a time hierarchy. They are useful in data analysis for organizing data into meaningful levels of detail for drill down and aggregation, simplifying navigation and exploration of data by providing structured path for analysis, enabling user to perform hierarchical calculations and comparisons across different levels of hierarchy. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, what is Power BI and why it is used? Your answer should be, Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It is used to visualize and analyze data from various sources, providing insights that aid in decision-making processes with organizations. Its key features include data visualization, self-service BI capabilities, and integration with other Microsoft products. Our next question is, explain the components of Power BI. Your answer should be, Power BI consists of three main components. Power BI Desktop, a desktop application used for creating reports and dashboards. Power BI Service or Power BI Online, a cloud-based service where reports and dashboards can be published, shared or accessed. Power BI Mobile, mobile apps available for different platforms iOS, Android, Windows that allows users to view and interact with reports and dashboards on the go. Our next question is, what are the different types of data connections available in Power BI? Your answer should be, Power BI supports various data connection types including direct query, directly connects to the data source and retrieve real-time data. Import, imports data into Power BI internal storage, allowing for data manipulation and analysis. Live connection, establishes a live connection to an external data source, leveraging the source processing power for queries. Our next question is, how does Power BI handle data modeling? Your answer should be, Power BI uses tabular data modeling approach where data is organized into tables with relationships between them. It employs DAX, data analysis expression, for creating calculated columns, measures, and calculated tables to perform complex calculations and aggregations. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Our next question is, what is the difference between a calculated column and a measure in Power BI? Your answer should be, calculated column is a column calculated based on values from other columns within the same table. Calculated columns are computed during data refresh and stored in the model. Measure, it is a dynamic calculation performed on the fly during visualizations. Measures are typically used for aggregations, calculations, and KPIs. They do not occupy storage space as they are calculated at runtime. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share, please. The question is, what are Power BI data connectors and how do they facilitate data integration? Your answer should be, Power BI data connectors are components that enable Power BI to connect to and import data from various data sources. They facilitate data integration by providing out-of-the-box connectivity to the wide range of data sources such as databases, fields, cloud services, and online services, offering capabilities for data extraction, transformation, and loading (ETL) using Power Query Editor, supporting both standard connectors, example SQL Server, Excel, SharePoint, and custom connectors developed by third-party vendors or organizations. Our next question is, how do you handle error handling and logging in Power BI data transformation process? Your answer should be, to handle error handling and logging in Power BI data transformation processes, use error handling options such as ignore errors or replace errors in Power Query Editor to handle data transformation errors gracefully. Implement custom error handling logic using Power BI Query M language functions like try, otherwise to catch and handle specific errors. Use data profiling and data quality checks to identify potential errors or inconsistencies in the data and address them personally. Log error message warnings, and data transformation activities using custom logging mechanism or third-party tools to track data quality issues and monitor data transformation processes. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, how are Power BI data flows? What are Power BI data flows and how do they differ from Power BI desktop data models? Your answer should be Power BI data flows. Power BI data flows are cloud-based data preparation and transformation capabilities in Power BI service that allows users to ingest, transform, and store data from disparate sources in a centralized data stores. Data flow supports self-service data preparation, reuse of data transformation, and integration with the other Power BI artifacts such as datasets and reports. Power BI desktop data models. Power BI desktop data models are local data models created using Power BI desktop that contains tables, relationships, calculations, and visualizations for analysis and responding data. Data models in Power BI captures Power BI desktop are typically used for ad hoc analysis, report authoring, and data visualization within the Power BI desktop environment. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, how do you handle data security in Power BI? Your answer should be, Power BI provides various features for data security including row level security RLS, restrict access of specific rows or of data based on user roles or criteria. Data encryption ensures data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Azure Active Directory integration manages user access and permissions through Azure AD. Data classification classifies sensitive data and applies appropriate security measures. Our next question is, can you explain the difference between a slicer and a filter in Power BI? Your answer should be Slicer. It is a visual control environment used to filter data in a report interactively. Users can select one or more values for a slicer to filter the associated visuals. Filter. It is a feature used to restrict the data displayed on visuals based on predefined criteria. Filters can be applied at the report, page or visual level and can be static or dynamic. Our next question is, how do you optimize the performance of Power BI reports? Your answer should be, performance optimization in Power BI involves various techniques such as limiting the use of visuals and data that are not essential for analysis, reducing the number of visuals on a single report page, optimizing DAX queries and calculations for efficient data retrieval and processing, implementing proper data modeling techniques including creating relationships and optimizing data types. Our next question is, What are some best practices for designing Power BI reports? Your answer should be best practices for designing Power BI reports include organizing various visuals logically on report pages for intrusive navigation, using consistent color, fonts, and styles for better readability and aesthetics, providing clear and concise titles, toolships, and access labels, testing reports on different devices and screen sizes to ensure responsiveness, documenting data sources, calculations, and assumptions for transparency and reproducibility. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Our next question is, can you describe the challenging Power BI project you worked on and how you overcome obstacles? Your answer should be, provide a detailed explanation of a project you worked on, highlighting challenges faced, solutions implemented, and lessons learned. Emphasize your problem solving skills, ability to collaborate with stakeholders, and adaptability to changing requirements. Our next question is, what is the difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service? Your answer should be Power BI Desktop. It is a desktop application used for creating reports and dashboards. It provides a robust environment for data modeling, visualization, design, and report authoring. Power BI Service, also known as Power BI Online, is a cloud-based service where reports and dashboards created in Power BI Desktop can be published, shared, and accessed. It allows for collaboration, data refresh, scheduling, and access control. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, how do you handle data refresher in Power BI? Your answer should be, data refresh in Power BI ensures that reports and dashboards reflect the most up-to-date information. It can be achieved by setting up scheduled refreshers for data sets stored in Power BI service or by configuring direct query connections to data sources for a real-time data retrieval. Our next question is, what is the role of Power Query in Power BI? Your answer should be, Power Query is a data connectivity and preparation tool for Power BI used for connecting to various data sources and importing data into Power BI, transforming and shaping data through operations such as filtering, sorting, merging, and pivoting, cleaning and preparing data for analysis by removing duplicates, handling missing values, and applying data transformations. Our next question is, explain the concept of data modeling in Power BI and its importance. Your answer should be, data modeling in Power BI involves organizing data into tables, establishing relationships between tables, and creating calculated columns, measures, and calculated tables using DAX. It is crucial for enabling accurate analysis by structuring data in a meaningful way, facilitating data exploration and visualization by defining relationships between related tables, supporting complex calculations and aggregations necessary for deriving insights from the data. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you create a calculated column in a Power BI? Your answer should be, to create the calculated column in a Power BI, in the Power BI desktop, navigate to the data view. Select the table to which you want to add the calculated column. Click on New Column in the Modeling tab. Enter the DAX expression for the calculated column in a formula bar. Press Enter to apply the expression. Our next question is, what are the different types of joins available in Power BI? Your answer should be, Power BI supports several types of joins including inner join, returns rows that have matching values in both tables. Left outer join, returns all rows from which table left table and matching rows from the right table. Right outer join, returns all rows from the right table and matching rows from the left table. Full outer join, returns all rows when there is a match in either the left or right table. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, explain the concept of Power BI data flows and how they facilitate data preparation and integration. Your answer should be, Power BI data flows are self-service data preparation capabilities in Power BI service that allows users to ingest, transform and combine data from disparate sources into single data store. They facilitate data preparations and integration by providing a centralized and scalable platform for building and managing reusable datasets, enabling collaboration and data sharing across organizations. Our next question is, what are the different deployment options available for Power BI reports and when would you choose each option? Your answer should be, Power BI reports can be deployed to Power BI service for cloud-based sharing and collaboration, Power BI report server for on-premise hosting within the organization's infrastructure, or exported to file formats such as PDF or PowerPoint offline distribution. The choice of deployment options depends upon the factors such as data security requirements, infrastructure preferences, and accessibility needs. Our next question is, can you explain the concept of Power BI Premium per user PPU licensing and its advantages? Your answer should be, Power BI Premium per user PPU licensing offers individual user access to premium features and dedicated capacity within Power BI service on per user basis. It provides flexibility and scalability for organizations to empower users with advanced capabilities such as paginated reports, large data set sizes, and AI insights without the need for organization-wide premium capacity. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you handle security and compliance requirements when sharing sensitive data through Power BI reports? Your answer should be, security and compliance in Power BI involves implementing features such as row-level security, RLS, encryption, access controls, and data classification to protect sensitive data. Additionally, organizations should adhere to regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC compliance and regularly audit and monitor access to ensure data privacy and integrity. Our next question is, what are the some best practices for designing visually effective Power BI reports and dashboards? Your answer should be best practices for designing visually effective Power BI reports and dashboards include choosing appropriate visualizations, organizing layouts logically, using consistent color schemes and fonts, minimizing clutter, providing contextual information, and ensuring accessibility to all users. Effective design principles enhance user engagement and comprehension, leading to more impactful insights and actions. Our next question is, explain the role of Power BI Desktop in a Power BI ecosystem and its key features. Your answer should be Power BI Desktop is a desktop application used for creating and designing Power BI reports and data models. Its key features include data import from various sources, data modeling using Power Query Editor, and DAX building interactive visualizations, creating calculated columns and measures. Our next question is, how can you manage relationships between tables in Power BI and why are the relationships important? Your answer should be, relationships between tables in Power BI are managed using foreign keys or through Power Query Editor. Relationships are important for connecting related tables and enabling data analysis across multiple tables, such as performing joins, filtering, and aggregations, ensuring accurate and comprehensive insights. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how do you implement row-level security RLS in Power BI Desktop and what are the benefits of using this feature? Your answer should be, row-level security RLS in Power BI Desktop is implemented by defining security roles and filters based on user roles or attributes. These roles are applied to restrict data access at the row level, ensuring that users only see authorized data rows based on their role assignment. RLS enhances data security and compliance by controlling access to sensitive data and ensuring data privacy. Our next question is, what is Power BI Report Server and how does it differ from Power BI Service in terms of deployment and management? Your answer should be, Power BI Report Server is an on-premise report server solution that allows organization to host and manage Power BI reports and paginated reports SSRS within their own infrastructure. Unlike Power BI Service, which is cloud-based, Power BI Report Servers operates on-premise, offering greater control over data governance, compliance, and customization, albeit with the trade-off requiring on-premise infrastructure and maintenance. Our next question is, can you elaborate the importance of data lineage on Power BI project and how it contributes to data governance and compliance? Your answer should be, data lineage in Power BI project refers to the documentation of data sources, transformations and calculations, providing transparency and traceability throughout the data analysis process. It contributes to data governance and compliance by enabling organizations to track data lineage, dependencies and transformation, ensuring data quality, accuracy and regulatory compliance. Data lineage also facilitates troubleshooting, auditing and impact analysis in data-driven decision-making processes. Our next question is, what are the benefits of using Power BI apps and how do they streamline report distribution? Your answer should be, Power BI apps bundle related reports, dashboards and datasets together, streamlining distribution and access for specific users or groups. They ensure consistent and controlled access to relevant insights, simplifying report consumption and collaboration within organizations. If you find our content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you embed Power BI reports into custom applications or websites using Power BI Embedded? Your answer should be, Power BI Embedded allows developers to integrate Power BI reports, dashboards and visualizations directly into custom applications or websites using APIs or SDKs. By embedding Power BI content, organizations can provide seamless data visualization and analysis experiences to users within their familiar application environments. Our next question is, what is the Power BI mobile app and how does it enable access to reports on mobile devices? Your answer should be, the Power BI mobile app allows users to access the interact with Power BI reports and dashboards on mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It provides a responsive and touch-friendly interface optimized for mobile use, enabling users to stay informed and make data-driven decisions on the go. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, how do you create calculated measure in Power BI? Your answer should be, to create calculated measure in Power BI, in Power BI desktop, navigate to the data view or the model view. Right click on the table or column where you want to create the measure. Select new measure or new quick measure from the context menu. Enter the DAX expression for the measure in the formula bar. Press enter to apply the expression. Our next question is, explain the difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Report Server. Your answer should be, Power BI Desktop. It is a free desktop application used for creating reports and dashboards. Reports created in Power BI Desktop can be published to Power BI Service or Power BI Report Server. Power BI Report Server. It is an on-premise report server solution that allows organization to host and manage Power BI reports and paginated reports SSRS within their own infrastructure. It offers similar functionality to Power BI service but operates on premises. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, how do you handle date calculations in Power BI using DAX? Your answer should be, date calculations in Power BI using DAX can be performed using functions such as dateadd, datediff, calendar, totally_td, total_qtd, and total_mtd. These function enables calculations such as year-to-date totals, quarter-to-date totals, and month-to-date totals and date differences. Our next question is, what are some common data visualizations best practices in Power BI? Your answer should be, some data visualizations best practices in Power BI includes choosing appropriate chart types based on the nature of the data and the analysis goals, avoiding clutter by limiting the number of visuals on a single report page, using colors effectively to highlight important information and maintain accessibility for color-blind users, providing interactivity through slicers, filters, and drill-down capabilities for a richer user experience, designing mobile-friendly reports that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. Our next question is, how do you create a calculated table in Power BI? Your answer should be, to create calculated table in Power BI. In Power BI desktop, navigate the data view or the model view. Click on new table in the modeling tab. Enter the DAX expression for the calculated table in the formula bar. Press enter to apply the expression. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, what is the purpose of Power BI Gateway and how does it facilitate data transfer? Your answer should be, Power BI Gateway acts as a bridge between on-premise data sources and Power BI service in the cloud. It enables secure data transfer by allowing Power BI to connect to on-premise data sources for data refreshes and live connections. Our next question is, can you explain the concept of custom visuals in Power BI and how they enhance reporting capabilities? Your answer should be, custom visuals in Power BI are third-party or custom-built visualizations that extend the visualization option beyond the built-in ones. They enhances reporting capabilities by offering unique and specialized visuals tailored to specific data analysis needs, thereby improving data storytelling and insights communication. Our next question is, how do you ensure data refresh in Power BI and why it is important for maintaining up-to-date reports? Your answer should be, data refresh in Power BI ensures the report and dashboards reflects the most current data from the underlying data sources. It is achieved by scheduling automatic refreshers at regular intervals to fetch new data. This is crucial for maintaining up-to-date insights and making informed decisions based on the latest information. Our next question is, what are data slicers in Power BI and how do they contribute in data exploration and analysis? Your answer should be, data slicers in Power BI are visual controls that allows users to dynamically filter data displayed in reports and dashboards. They contribute to data exploration and analysis by providing interactive filtering options, enabling users to slice and dice data based on different dimensions or attributes, facilitating deeper insights and exploration. Our next question is, when would you recommend using Power BI Premium licensing over Power BI Pro, and what are the key advantages? Your answer should be, Power BI Premium licensing is recommended for organizations with larger user bases, heavy workloads, or advanced feature requirements. It offers dedicated capacity, larger dataset sizes, and advanced features such as paginated reports and deployment pipelines, providing scalability and performance benefits over Power BI Pro licensing. Our next question is, what are composite models in Power BI and how do they expand data modeling capabilities? Your answer should be, composite models in Power BI allows combining imported and direct query datasets within a single data model, expanding data modeling capabilities. They enable blending data from different sources such as relational databases and online services in a unified model, enhancing analytical flexibility and enabling richer insights. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, explain the concept of drill through in Power BI and how it aids in navigating between summary and detailed reports. Your answer should be, drill through the Power BI allows users to navigate from summary level reports to detailed reports for deeper analysis. By clicking on a specific data points in a summary report, users can drill down to related detailed reports or pages, facilitating exploration and understanding of underlying data and contributing to informed decision making. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.